One myth that's out there is that what we're doing is printing money. We're not printing money. To lend to a bank, we simply use the computer to mark up the size of the account that they have with the Fed. So it's much more akin, although not exactly the same, but it's much more akin to printing money than it is to borrowing.
You've been printing money.
Well, effectively, and we need to do that.
Hello everyone, today's April 27th, 2011. Today the Federal Reserve held a historical press conference, first time ever after their meeting. And I know I'm going to take some heat for this, but I think Ben Bernanke did an excellent job reassuring the American people that the economy is on the road to recovery, that because of subdued inflation trends, there's no need to raise interest rates at this time. And, what a breath of fresh air. Reassuring the American people and, letting them know that the Federal Reserve's in control. Gotcha! Come on, do you really think that that's what I was going to say? Oh my gosh, what a crazy day today. I got to read my favorite quote out of this historical press conference here. Favorite quote: "The Fed believes that a strong and stable dollar is in America's best interests and in the interests of the global economy." Yeah, sure, and as you're saying that, the dollar's tanking. I saw silver up $3. I saw gold up 22. I mean, I can't believe what's happening. I saw Geithner talk about a stable dollar again. These guys, man, I just can't believe these guys get on there with a straight face and talk stable dollar as it's down 16.5% since last June. Today, the markets loved what happened today. The NASDAQ hit a 10-year high. We've had this fake rally going since, I think, February 2009 in the markets. And everybody's getting all happy again. We're in recovery mode and the markets are doing great. I don't know. I'm feeling in the next couple of years, we're just going to have a repeat of 2008. But it's going to be a while because, everyone's playing into this whole recovery thing, except people who really know what's going on, which is the fact that their purchasing power of their currency is just collapsing. If you look at 2003, the dollar's fallen 25% since 2003. And, the Dow was like at 9,000, we're 12,500 now. That's about a 25% difference there. So the markets have gone up 25%, but you've had inflation has eaten away that 25% rise. So you've gone nowhere. As Bernanke was standing there talking about the strong dollar today, he might as well just have had a little dollar in his hand strangling it. Because, I don't know. I'm just so blown away. You got people standing up there saying, strong dollar's in your favor, but I'm not doing anything to support it. I'm going to keep interest rates down near zero so we can, the banks can keep getting this free money so they can keep investing in the markets. We'll just keep pushing up the market. And, he talked about inflation. Inflation subdued. We may have a slight rise in inflation because of energy, but nothing to really worry about. We got our eyes on that. And as he's printing up $100 billion in paper, it's electronic, but just say paper or whatever. He's printing up $100 billion every month and says, "Oh, he's inflating the currency." Oh my gosh, it's totally incredible. I can't. What a historical day. Man, we could see silver push above 50 tonight or tomorrow. Everything just sped up. I can't believe how fast everything sped up. So, congratulations to those who are involved in the precious metals. I don't know what else you could do. You can I've been fooling around trading currencies and stuff just with a couple $100, just playing around. But man, you got to be so disciplined, and all the markets are manipulated. You know, they're designed to be manipulated. That's what the Federal Reserve is. It's a manipulator. They control interest rates. There's no free market. You know, everything's being manipulated. You saw the shorts come right in when silver got to 49.80 Sunday night. You know, they just jumped in, forced it right back down like $3-4. You know, they don't want to break that. It's going to get broken. It's going to get broken soon. We're going to break that $50.35 high price, I think. We'll have an all-time new, you know, a new all-time high. I don't remember. I was going to mention that the Australian dollar just today hit an all-time high price against the dollar since they floated it against the dollar in 1983. So it just hit an all-time high price of 28 years. I mean, man, I just don't know how people can keep so much of their wealth in the dollars.